Good morning, students. So yesterday you had solved till question 5th and 6th and 7th you had solved. So 8th question now. So 8th question gives there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Kamalpur village. The length and breadth is the plot are in ratio 11 ratio 4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fencing the plot. What are the dimensions of plot? So the ratio of length and breadth is given 11 ratio 4. So we are taking that and rate of fencing of plot that rupees 100 per meter and total cost of rupees 75,000. So perimeter of a rectangular field, that means suppose that perimeter we have and we have rate, so we are multiplying, but here perimeter we have to find. So total cost of fencing divided by rate of fencing. So total cost is 75,000 and rate is 100 rupees per meter. So now perimeter is 750 meter. This is the perimeter of rectangle. So let's length and breadth of rectangle respectively. So ratio is 11 ratio 4. So length will be 11 x meter and breadth will be 4x meter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, and perimeter we have already 750. So equals 2 multiplied by length 11x and breadth 4x. So 11x and 4x will be 15x and 15 to the 30x. So 750 is equal to 30x. So now this 30 is in multiply, so it will go in divide. So 750 divided by 30 is equal to x. So 25 is the value of x. So our length was 11x. So 11 multiplied by 25. So length is 275 meter and breadth is 4x. So 4 multiplied by 25 is equal to 100 meter. So now ninth question. Harry buys two kinds of cloth materials of his school uniforms. Shirt material that cost rupees 50 and trouser material that cost 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material buys 2 meter of trouser material. Means the ratio of trouser and shirt, shirt and trouser 3 ratio 2. He sells the material at 20% and 10% profits respectively. He sold total 36,600 in rupees. How much trouser material did he buy? So in question that is saying that ratio of shirt and trouser 3 ratio 2. So rate of shirt 50 rupees per meter and rate of trouser 90 rupees per meter. So let's cloth of shirt 3x and trouser 2x because ratio is 3 ratio 2. So purchasing cost of shirt, so we have to multiply by 50. So 3x multiplied by 50 is equal to 150x. And purchasing cost of trouser, so trouser is 2x, so multiply by 90. So 2x meter multiplied by 90 is equal to 180x. So now 12% profit is there of shirts. So we have to find 12%. So 150x multiplied by 12 upon 100 is equal to rupees 18x. So now selling cost, so purchasing cost plus profit. So 150x plus 18x is equal to 168x. And now 10% profit on trousers. So 180x multiplied by 10 upon 100. So 10% is 18 rupees, sorry, rupees 18x. So now selling cost of trousers. So 180x plus 18x is equal to 198x. Now this is the purchasing price 150x and 180x, and now this is the selling price 160x and 198x. So now it is saying that total selling cost is rupees 36,600 total selling cost. So we also have total selling cost 168x and 198x. So now we have to keep both the equal. So 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600 when we are adding both. This will be 366x is equal to 36,600. So now we have to do side transfer of 366. So 366 will be going multiply form. So 330,600, 36,600 divided by 366. So x is equal to 100. So now value of x is equal to 100. So now cloth of trouser was 2x. So 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200 meter. That is the answer. 10th question. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field, and 3/4 of them remaining are playing, and rest 9 are drinking water. Find the number of deer in the herd. So let's the number of total deer is x. So half of them are playing, so x upon 2. 3/4 of remaining of them playing means these are grazing. So x upon 2 are remaining. So x upon 2. So 3/4 of remaining. So x upon 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4 is equal to 3x upon 8. And now remaining are 9. So question is saying that total deers minus grazing and drinking water is equal to 9. So x minus x upon 2 plus 3x upon 6 in the bracket. So now this minus, so it will also negative and it will also negative. These both will be negative. So x minus x upon 2 minus 3x upon 8 is equal to 9. So LCM will be 8 here. So 8x minus 4x minus 3x. So 4 and 3 7. So 8 minus 7 1x is upon 8 is equal to 9. So now we have to do side transfer of 8. So 9 8 is just 72. So total DS in the herd is 92. No, sorry, 72. 8 9 is 72. So total DS are 72 here. So now 11th question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So let's grandfather age is x years. So granddaughter age is x years. So grandfather is 10x years. And he is 54 years elder than her. So grandfather is x plus 54 years also. So look here, now is 10x also and x plus 54 also, because these both are grandfather's age, so these both are equal. So we have to keep equal both. So 10x is equal to x plus 54. So 10x minus, sorry, this x is positive here, so it will go in negative. So x here, so 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 54. So now this 9 is in multiply, so it will go in divide. So x is equal to 54 upon 9. So x is equal to 6. So granddaughter's age is 6 years and grandfather's age is 10 times of it. So 6 times are 60 years. So remaining all questions you have to solve own self. If any problem you will found, you can ask. Bye.